Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the IQOZ6 system and app list so you know where ads come from. Open Settings, About Phone, and note Android version. This affects menu names. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and watch which apps trigger pop-ups. If you need deeper controls, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This lets you restrict background processes later. Make sure to jot app names now so you can target them directly in the next steps. You now hunt the ad source by force closing suspect apps and observing whether ads stop. If they do, uninstall immediately. Next, go to Settings, Apps, choose each app, and turn off notifications. Many mobile ads are delivered as notifications. Also check Special App Access and revoke display over other apps, and install Unknown Apps for dubious apps, because those permissions let ads hijack your screen. Once you remove the permissions and uninstall the culprit, ads should drop drastically. Finish by tightening system controls. Open Play Store, enable Play Protect, update all apps, and run a scan so persistent adware is flagged. Then check built-in apps like browser, themes, and system apps for ad settings and disable personalized ads or recommendations. If problems persist, backup data and do a factory reset as the last resort. This removes deep adware. Troubleshooting tip: if ads continue after reset, test with another SIM and network to rule out carrier or router-injected ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.